Hey everybody, my name is the Deadpool Master Simpson. We got some extreme rain right now. We're seeing like lightning and everything. We're going inside my playhouse. Hecka rainy. Lightning just went off just now. Trying not to get my phone wet. It's kind of wet up here. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just go look out here. That's really cool. Lightning's so awesome. Whoa! That was bright! That's my dad and Kobe somewhere. Yeah, you can barely see him. Dang. Rain's hit me in the face and stuff like that. I have my army man set up over there. Oh God, hit my phone. Get my phone wet. Hold up. Oh God dang it! I just got done wiping it. Okay, alright, so come on, rain. Come on, lightning. Whoa! Look at that. All rain. See all that movement? All rain. I'm videotaping it.
You can get a good picture of the fan, man.
I'm videotaping right now. That's the thunder going off. It sounds like the earth is cracking. Oh man. Some extreme lightning out here. They're all coming on this side. Fudge. Oh man, it was over there and I didn't get it. Well, that's all I have to show for today. Now, see you guys next time. Bye!